Hi, today's question comes from Dimitri. He wants to know what's the best cooking oil he can use that's the healthiest for his body. Now, I have two oils I really love, but before I even get into that, let me just say this. Do not use vegetable oils. Now, it's very common to use vegetable oils like corn oil, peanut oil, soybean oil, canola oil is another one. And because people think they're healthy because they're vegetable oils, they have no saturated fats. And so people think, okay, no saturated fats, it's good for us. Wrong. Vegetable oils are polyunsaturated fats. They become oxidized super fast, and they really wreak havoc on the body. They've been shown to increase obesity, and they've been shown to have negative impact on the cardiovascular system. So I never recommend cooking with vegetable oils. What I like, the two oils I really recommend all the time are avocado oil and coconut oil. Those two oils are super healthy. They have high burning points, meaning they're not going to go rancid or get oxidized when you cook with them at high heats, and they're really wonderful for the body. Now, the oil that's sort of the wild card is olive oil. I love olive oil. Super healthy for you, great for your cardiovascular system. I just don't cook with it. It has a low burning point, so I don't like to mess with it, which might cause some oxidation. Olive oil, if I'm going to use it for flavor or for the health benefits, I put on my food after the food has already been cooked. And the last thing I also use is grass-fed butter. Its saturated fats are not that unhealthy for you because it's coming from a grass-fed source, and it provides a little bit of flavor, and again, can be very healthy for the body when you use it in moderate portions. So avocado oil, coconut oil, some grass-fed butter, and after cooking, olive oil. Those are the oils I like. I hope this helps and answers your questions. Again, no vegetable oils. And with any questions you have as far as health is concerned, always feel free to reach out. I hope you have an amazing night.